High to low cable chest flies. All right, so let's go over how to get set up first. So if your cables are narrow, that's fine. If they're wide, that's fine. This exercise applies the same to both sets of cables, all right? Okay, so first take both sets of cables to the very, very top. All right, next attach two individual handles. And then from here, what I like to do is get both handles, just kind of interlock your fingers. Just that way you can get your footing set, all right? So interlock, whichever foot you want to lead with is fine. I go left forward, right back. So your right foot, or I'm sorry, your back foot is going to be a lot of your stabilization, all right? So make sure you've got a nice wide base because your body position is going to be forward like this, all right? So from here, it's a high to low, so we're going to be meeting at a low position. This is going to be working a lot of our lower parts of the pecs here. So from here, once you get your arms set, retract your shoulders back and down, right there. All right, so now we're ready to open up, nice and wide, keeping a good bend on the elbow. Now as we get here, we're ready to go down, extend the arms, contract the chest here, and we're almost level with the waistline here. Again. So it's more of a downward fly as opposed to coming forward like that. It's more down, but that's where you're going to get your lower pec engagement. Just make sure that you're not rolling those shoulders. They're staying back and down as you come down and squeeze.